Did you put all metal items in the tray?
Yes, I did. I think I did everything right. But let me check my pockets again, just to be sure. No, there is nothing in my pockets. Nothing at all.
Okay, that is fine. Please walk through the scanner again slowly.
All right, no problem. Oh, it beeped again.
Please do not move. Raise your arms, please. I will check you with this device now.
Okay, sure. But I think the machine has a problem. I put everything in the X-ray tray already.
That is okay. Stay calm. We will see the problem.
Are you sure you removed everything metal?
Check your earrings, hair clips, or anything like that.
Yes, I am sure. I do not have earrings today.
And there is nothing in my pockets, I promise.
Please check your hair. Remove anything metal from your hair. Oh my God, you are right! I forgot my hair clip!
Yes, that hair clip is metal. Please remove it now.
Yeah.
Please try to walk through the scanner one more time.
I am so sorry. Okay, I will go again.
Perfect. Everything is fine now. You can go.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Oh, Luna, I was really scared back there. My heart was beating so fast. I was so worried. I thought they would arrest you at the airport. Me too. Honestly, I was very nervous. I do not know why, but airports always make me stressed. Same here. Even when we do nothing wrong, it feels scary. Exactly. Okay, let us move on now. Let us get our boarding passes and check our luggage. Yes, please. My bag is so heavy. My arms hurt. I told you before, you did not need many things. We are traveling for only 4 days, Sarah. I know. A small suitcase like yours is enough. I should have listened to you. You were right. It is okay. Next time you will listen to me. Now let us check the big screen for our flight. Okay, let me see. Flight B740, counter 13. Great, that is not far. Let us go now. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Passports, please. Hello. Good morning. Here you are. Thank you. Are you traveling together today? Yes, we are traveling together. We are best friends. Okay, that is nice. I will give you 2 seats together.
That is perfect. Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Now, put your suitcases on the belt.
Okay, here is mine.
And this one is mine. It is very heavy. Thank you. Let me check the weight now. Your suitcase is fine, but your friend's bag is heavy.
Sarah, your suitcase is 2 kilos overweight.
Oh no! Really? That is very bad! What should I do? Do not worry. If there is space, you can move items. You can put some things in your friend's suitcase. Luna, do you have space in your suitcase? Do you have even a little space for me? Yes, I have some space. Come on, let us hurry. Let us put a few things in my suitcase now. Thank you, Luna. You are saving my life.
Okay, let me check the weight again.
Yes, Yes, now everything is fine. Here are your boarding passes. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You are welcome. Have a nice trip, ladies. Finally, that part is done. So, what should we do now? Let us go through the main gate first. After that, we can drink some coffee and relax. Good idea. I really need coffee right now. Me too. Luna, what coffee do you want? I want a caramel macchiato. Something sweet and strong. Sounds good. I think I will get a matcha latte. A matcha latte? Really? Are you serious? It tastes terrible. Why do you want that? I know it does not taste good, but it looks amazing. I want to post an Instagram story. Matcha looks so pretty at the airport. I cannot believe you ordered drinks just for photos. Come on, please. Can I try your coffee? No. Everyone drinks their own coffee. Wow, that is rude. Okay, I am joking. Just a little sip. Perfect. Now I can drink real coffee. I will post a cute photo now. Hurry up. We do not have much time. Boarding will start soon. We must go to the gate. Wait. What? What? What do you mean? Sarah, what is wrong? Why is your face white? It is gone. My passport is gone. That is impossible. Check your bag again slowly. I checked it 2 times. It is not there. I do not see it anywhere. What should I do?
I am panicking. I am so scared, Luna.
Okay, calm down. Think. Where did you open your bag last? I do not know. Maybe at passport control. I am not sure. Wait, think again. You opened your bag at the coffee shop. You opened it when you paid for the coffee. Oh my God, you are right. I remember now. Let us go back quickly. We have to run. Excuse me. Hi. I was here a few minutes ago. I think I dropped my passport here. Did you see it?
Yes. A customer found a passport on the floor. We were going to give it to airport security.
Is this your passport?
Yes, that is mine. Thank you so much. Thank God. Come on, let us run. The gate will close soon. Hello, welcome on board. May I see your boarding passes? Sure. Here you go. We are a bit late. Thank you. Your seats are 21B and 21C. They are on the left side in the middle. Great. Thank you very much. We made it. I cannot believe it. Yes. One more minute and we would miss the flight. Now we have 7 hours on the plane. That is fine for me. I love flying. Me too. And I brought my laptop. I can work on my YouTube videos during the flight. That is great! You are always working, Luna.
Hey, Koala. Wake up.
We arrived at our destination.
Huh? What? What?
Already? Is the flight over? Yes. You slept the whole flight. No way. Really? I did not see the movie? You did not move at all. Okay, I guess I needed that sleep. Let us go. Sarah, wait. Isn't that your suitcase on the belt?
Yes, it is. But something looks wrong. Where is the wheel?
Oh no, it is broken. This is so bad. What do we do now? Do not worry. Let us go to the service desk. We can ask for help there. Stay calm.
Hello, ladies. How can I help you today?
Hello. My suitcase is damaged. One wheel is broken. I am very sorry to hear that. That is annoying. Please give me your passport and boarding pass. Sure. Here you are. Can you fix it? Thank you. Please sign here on this form. Okay, but what is this form for? The airline pays for this kind of damage. We will give you a new suitcase right now.
Really? That is amazing! Thank you so much!
You are welcome. Here is your new suitcase.
Thank you. This helps a lot. It is beautiful.
We did it! We finally arrived at the hotel!
Yes, after all that stress, we are finally here.
Let us take a taxi and drop our bags.
Perfect plan. I am so excited for our vacation. Hey, Spot. Please like and subscribe for more travel stories. Yay! What was your favorite part of the trip? Tell us. See you in the next video. Bye.